Hello fellow campers, I just finished replacing all of the incandescent light bulbs in my camping trailer with these 12 SMD LED bulbs. Replacement was very simple, and the best part is that I could do my entire trailer for about $25. In this video I'm going to go over 3 reasons why you should replace your incandescent light bulbs with LEDs. The biggest reason to replace your incandescent light bulbs is current draw. A few weeks ago I went out to my trailer a few days after getting back from a camp out and found that my batteries were completely dead, and one of these light bulbs was the culprit. In just a few days it had completely drained my batteries, which is obviously not good for the batteries. So let's see just how much current these little light bulbs draw. About 1.3 amps. Now for the same test using the LEDs. Alright, now we have about 172 milliamps. So it looks like one incandescent bulb uses about 7.5 times as much electricity as the LED. Now let's compare the brightness. For this test I'm going to use the light meter on my multimeter, and I'm going to put the bulb exactly 1 foot away from the light meter. With the incandescent bulb I'm reading about 350 lux. With the LED I'm reading about 1300 lux. So not only does the LED bulb use less current, it's also brighter. The third reason why you should switch to LED is the temperature. For this test I'm going to use my temperature probe from my multimeter and touch it to the surface of each light bulb while it's running at 12 volts. As you can see, the surface temperature of the incandescent light bulb is incredibly hot, pushing 400 degrees. While the surface of the LED is still very hot, it's only 160 degrees, much cooler than the incandescent light bulb. Needless to say, I'm very pleased with these light bulbs. The best part was that they only were about $1 a piece, and I can go much longer while dry camping and not have to worry about the batteries draining. These bulbs come in a box of 10. I bought them on eBay, and I've left the link in the description. If you haven't already, check out my other video where I install solar panels on my trailer. This is one of the best decisions I've ever made, and ever since I've done it I haven't had to charge my batteries once. Every day by about 10 in the morning they're fully charged. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you.